India is the most colorful country in the world. It is known for its diverse religion, incredible architecture, rich culture, and heritage. It consists of some beautiful cities which have the perfect combination of the diversity, architecture, culture, and heritage. So let's have a close look at these 11 most beautiful cities in India. Number 11, Pondicherry. It is officially referred to as Puducherry. Pondicherry was once a French colony. It still regains its French style. It offers everything from pebbled beaches, beachside cafes, clean roads, French style houses to historic sites and heritage. It is one of the 7 union territories in India. If you look for a beach destination to visit a French influence, Pondicherry is the perfect choice. It is one of the most beautiful cities in India. Number 10, Bangalore. According to one of the recent surveys, Bangalore was proclaimed to be India's most livable city. Earlier known as the Garden City of India and the Pensioners' Paradise, the vast green spaces were the major attraction of this city. With the passage of years, the rapid development of Bangalore has reduced the green area to a great extent, but it remains as one of the most beautiful cities in India. Lush green forests can still be found on the outskirts of the city. Now known as the Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore is a major hub of the IT industry. The nightlife and the variety of world cuisines must be explored while you are in the city. Number 9, Shillong. Perched at an altitude of 1496 meters, Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Occupying a prominent position on the list of beautiful cities in India, it is a great relief from the heat of the mainland. Also known as the Scotland of the East, this city has a pleasant climate throughout the year. Home to many stunning waterfalls, it also has spectacular mountain peaks, sprawling golf courses, clear blue lakes, and enriching museums. This city is also considered to the gateway to Meghalaya. Immensely famous for its cheerful people and their authentic culture, Shillong is also considered as the music capital of India. Several music events happen regularly, and as a result, this city has been producing many renowned musicians over the years. A trip to Shillong is a must if you wish to have some of the best moments of your life. Number 8, Darjeeling. While you are in India, the beautiful city of Darjeeling is a must-visit destination. Tucked amidst expansive and lush green tea plantations, this city is spread over a steep mountain ridge. The perfect getaway for the most romantic honeymoon, this region is sure to leave you mesmerized. The awe-inspiring sunrises, pristine beauty of the hills, spectacular landscapes, an old-world charm, and the exuberant smiles of the locals make Darjeeling one of the most beautiful cities in India. A fantastic escape from the summer's heat, this city is a popular tourist attraction. Rightly known as the Queen of the Himalayas, this city has over 86 tea plantations that produce the world-famous Darjeeling tea. Harmonize with nature in the beautiful panoramic setting of Darjeeling. Number 7, Mumbai. Situated by the sea, Mumbai is one of the most beautiful cities in India. It is the most modern, cosmopolitan city in India. Earlier known as Bombay, this is the biggest city in India. Also, the country's financial center, this city has countless opportunities for exploration. The most significant attraction of Mumbai is the structure of the Gateway of India. It was built in 1911 to mark a royal visit, and even to this day, it stands tall with a majestic air. Extremely active in its nightlife, this is the best place for all party freaks. A great destination for foodies who enjoy everything from street food to fancy cafes and pricey restaurants. Mumbai is also an excellent place for shopping. As one of the most beautiful cities in India, this city promises an exciting experience like no other. Number 6. Mysore. Another splendid city in Karnataka. Mysore is one of the most well-planned regions of the country. If you're wondering which is the best city in India, Mysore is the place you should go. The second cleanest city in the country is the cultural capital of Karnataka, the place where Ashtanga Yoga originated. This city is renowned for its many yoga centers. The Gokulam suburb is the perfect place to find the best yoga schools. Home to some of the schools with a great reputation in the country, the well-known ASCAPE Patabhi's Joyce Ashtanga Yoga Research Institute is also located here. With many tourist attractions that draw in thousands of travelers, Mysore is a great place to visit. This city is a great shopping center. It offers many exquisite items ranging from Mysore silk saris, Mysore sandalwood artifacts, and handicrafts to incense sticks and traditional Mysore paintings known as Ganjifa paintings. Number 5. Varanasi. For the spirituality seekers in India, the most beautiful city is Varanasi. As one of the most beautiful and historic cities in India, its first settlements date back to the 11th century BC. One of the oldest inhabited places in the world, Varanasi is a much revered place for both Jains and Hindus. Housing many sadhus, priests, pilgrims, families, vendors, and entrepreneurs, the population of this city is varied in their occupation but united by a common belief in God. The river that flows through this city is considered very divine, and thousands of devotees flock this city to cleanse their bodies and minds of their sins. The backdrop of spectacular temples add to the vibe of Varanasi. Number 4. Srinagar. Srinagar is the largest city and summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is one of the top hill stations in India. It is a popular tourist destination among Indians as well as the foreigners. It is popularly known as Venice of the East. It is also known as Paradise on Earth. There are some spectacular lakes in Srinagar that make this place so beautiful, such as Dal Lake and Nigin Lake. The largest freshwater lake in Asia, named Vular Lake, is also located in Srinagar. There are many gardens in Srinagar with Mughal influence, due to which Srinagar is also called Land of Gardens. The ride in one of the wooden boats known as shikaras is a must when you visit Srinagar. Number 3. Kolkata. An influential cultural capital of the country, Kolkata is one of the most beautiful cities in India. With something exciting to offer to every traveler, this city has been carrying a reputation of bringing out some of the best art and cultural works in India. Home to a great number of remarkable poets, writers, film producers, singers, dancers, and Nobel Prize winners, Kolkata is undoubtedly one of the most vibrant cities in India. Bengali sweets are something that you must try while you are here. Rich and decadent in their taste and consistency, these treats are sure to leave you asking for more. A major shopping hub, this city is always enthusiastic and energizing. Truly a gem of the country, Kolkata is a fantastic place to visit. Number 2. Udaipur. Situated in the royal state of Rajasthan, Udaipur is a wonderful city in India, extremely famous for its captivating lakes, temples, forts, and palaces. A visit to this city cannot be missed. One of the best places for lovers in the country, Udaipur has several romantic spots and alluring gardens. An absolute delight to everyone, this city has been the most chosen setting for many popular movies such as James Bond title Octopussy. Very vibrant in its landscape, the locals dressed in colorful clothing exemplify the beauty of Udaipur. The all year round fairs and festivals add to this city's color. Number 1. Jaipur. Popularly known as the Pink City, Jaipur has some spectacular buildings that were painted pink in color in 1876. This was done to welcome the Prince of Wales and Queen Victoria to the city. The biggest city in the state of Rajasthan, Jaipur, along with Delhi and Agra, forms part of the famous Golden Triangle. This triangle beckons thousands of Indian and non-Indian tourists to visit its charm and indulge in a fabulous relaxation process. Visit the marvels in Jaipur and you're sure to be left enchanted with this city. If you want an answer to the question, which city is known as the beautiful city of India, Jaipur occupies a prime position on the list. With lands that can never bore you, the most beautiful cities in India are the guarantee of some of the best times of your lives. Explore the cultural diversity of the country through the charm of these cities. Are you ready to be pulled into an alluring experience? Wait no more. Head to the most beautiful cities in India. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. See you next time with another amazing video. Peace out.